there shouldn't be like, I'm just gonna come in and do my 2 or 3 and go home. Because people sit down and they say, I want a raise, I want this, I want this, I want this. And from an operations standpoint, when you sit down and you look at the guy that's doing 2 to 3 a day, every day, all year, and I look at the guy that's doing 5 to 6, and he's doing this, and they're doing this, how can there be justification to say, well, I'm going to give you all this? Because it's a two-way street from a company and business standpoint. They're only hurting their own pockets. They should say to themselves, listen, I need to take care of the customer here. I need to do 5 or 6 because these customers are depending on it. And I know it's not realistic every day.
Not really.
But guys are doing it. You're going to see Tommy summertimes in a row now. Dude's going to bang out 7 or 8 calls.
He does. He bangs out.
Because he's of the mindset. When I had a conversation with him the other day about the tablet, he was getting angry at me about the tablet. But what he was saying was not making me get angry back. He was literally saying, Rich, I have customers I got to get to and take care of. He looks at him like they're his customer. Mm-hmm. It's not Malik's customer, it's Tom's customer.
He's the one communicating with him, seeing him all the time.
You know? And Tom has this certain thing inside him that he wants to get these people up and running. He wants to get back to them. He feels like, why I can work with this guy this week, this 2 weeks. That's why he's able to bang things out, because he's of a different mindset. He's not trying to just come in.
And he builds relationships with the customers.
He's not just coming in and going through the motion. He looks at this like his bread and his butter. And his own, and as his own. And when you do that, and you're not complacent, and you're doing above and beyond what the job requires, that's when operations can look at this and go, this guy deserves more. This guy deserves more.